G'day guys down at Link and the girls. My videos are only watched by guys, so I'm just going to say guys. It means guys and girls. So it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm wrapping up this loom and I got a fucking problem. Ooh, I'm not allowed to swear. And I got a problem. So I'll show you what I've got. Factory ECU, Motec PDM, Link Storm, OBD2 dongle. Oh, it's flashing. Can lambda. We're good so far. We've got an AiM dash. Can we see? Yep, AiM dash. And a dirty old Lexus, because I'm always working on Lexuses. And you'll notice that like the distance between the motor and the ECU is longer than me. It's not that long because I'm only a short prick, but it's still longer than me. But the problem I have is with this dash. This dash needs to be closer. Let's get this dash closer. So we got the dash. Now the problem I've got is that little bit there. It's got a line. I don't want a line. I want it to say park, like my shifter. There's reverse. I'd like it to say reverse. Neutral. I got a neutral. 0. That's a neutral. Drive. M, I'd get away with a 4. 3, 2, and low. I can get away with a 1 there, which I've done. Now, hopefully, you're going to tell me that I'm just dumb. I'm okay with that. But I've managed to get the cam lambda, the dongle, and the dash all talking together on 500 kilobits. So that all works. It's only the OBD2 that doesn't work on 1 megabit. Apart from that would be good. So I'm going to put this on my head and I'll show you what we got. So on the side of here, I put a little rotary switch on a lever system. So that moves quite nicely. 2 of the gears, so from drive into 4 is a sideways, and from 2 into low, it's a sideways. We go on my software. Says it's on 2. We're good there. Let's put this down here a bit. Put that over there. That's good. So there's a 2. So I put it in for 7 gears. Put it in as a P. Gave it a voltage. If I lift it to P, the link now says it's in P. So I got that right. And the AiM dash says it's a little line. Into reverse. The link's got it in reverse. So we're good. In, we've got an in. There's an in. Let's have a look. Yeah, mate, we've got an in. Back into drive, we get that little line. The link is saying it's in drive. I move it across. Oh, wait. Shit. I need my factory scan tool working. So if I move it around just right, it'll give me a 4. There it is. Whoop, whoop. I'm okay. Don't need the scan tool. We're under control. So there we have. We've got a 4. So we're good there. And the link says it's in 4. It's only in 3 because I'm not moving the shifter. Here we go. Here we go. We're in 3. You'll notice my shifter is not actually attached to the transmission and I'm manually moving the selector switch. It's a little tricky. So we got a 3. We got a 2. We got a 2. And if I Flick this buddy all around. We get a nothing. So I can tune that bottom nothing into a 1. So that's kind of cool. There we go. So we got a 1 because low is 1. But what I don't have is I don't have a reverse, a drive, and a park. I've got it in the Link. Oh, you can't see it anyway. You've got it in the Link, but I can't get it on my dash. Am I doing something wrong? Is what I'm doing not possible? Can we do something about it? Please do something about it, because it'd be really cool to have that in this truck. Let me know. We'll talk to you later. I might go home to bed. Oh, no, I might work for another hour. Talk to you later.